Hi guys, Determined Gardener here. I am here at my local nursery and you can see lots of vegetables here. I have to do a really quick video because they are closing soon. Now, just one cell is $3.49 and you get about 4 to 6 plants. This is Millionaire. I don't know what that is. It is a type of eggplant. So that is a purple eggplant, and you see right here, this is Black Beauty. Now you can get a whole flat for $24.99, and a whole flat comes with 8 different units in it, 8 different sections. So you can mix and match. That's what I would suggest. Mix and matching to get the best for your buck. This is another type of eggplant right here. So we're gonna move away from the eggplant and we're going to go to everybody's favorite vegetable or, fruit, I don't know, but it's tomatoes. That's right, grape tomatoes. You can see right here, they are really nice. You have about 4 of them here in the packet. I'm gonna try to take it out. All right, yeah, here we go. Yeah, you can see the roots already growing, so it looks really, really healthy. It only comes with 3, but sometimes you can get a 4th one. So what I do is I look for one that has 4 in them because they put in a little bit of extra seeds, but these look really nice. They can go in the ground right now. You have the beef steak ones, which are a little thicker. Everyone loves beef steaks, so these are really nice and healthy. You can see, and the sweet bananas, these are peppers. So here I'm going to give you a wider look at the vegetables. Wow, they have such a great variety. If you're new to gardening, you might as well just come and just pick up a plant instead of putting it in using a seed, because it's so much easier just to get the plant like this and just put it in the ground and plant it, because it's just easier than just going from the long way and using seeds, which will take a lot longer. So this is again eggplant. We have Better Boy tomatoes, which is a nice thick red tomato. You see right here. So the grape tomatoes, more tomatoes. And I actually came here to pick up some herbs. So here is some lemon basil, and I actually may get that. Siam Queen, I think that's an herb. Spicy Globe. And here's the basil right here. Smell that. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Look how much basil you have. Look how much basil you get. You get at least, I think there's like 8. So I'm gonna pick this up. So this is $3.49. Just this cell right here is $3.49. Now, if you go shopping, it's best not to spend more than $4 for something like this. If they're asking for maybe $4 or $5, you are overspending. So I'm gonna give you some more look at what they have here. Don't know what that is. I think that's like a hot pepper. And here's some more sweet bananas. Give you a wider look. They have a lot of stuff here. And I'm gonna move over here. Jalapeno. So how many plants do we get with the jalapeno? We get 4 plants with the jalapeno. And they have different types of jalapeno. They have the medium ones. And here we have, I think it doesn't have, I think this looks like, I'm not sure. I think it looks like squash. But we have the Persian cucumbers right here. And this is like a long, thick cucumber. And I don't know what this is. This is another sweet pepper that I think I may pick up. And homemade pickles. I've never had these before. Homemade pickles. Homemade pickles. I wonder if they're just like pickled cucumbers, or are they actually pickled? Anyone know? Let me know in the comment section. And then we have right up there is the zucchini. It looks a little yellow, but you can pick out one that looks a little better. But you can see right here, the zucchini is, this is a zucchini plant. It is almost pretty, it looks really, really good. This is definitely ready to plant in the ground. Look how big that is. That is looking really, really good. So I'll give you some more look. And we got beans here. The beans are ready to sprout. Well, not yet, but you know, they're looking really good. You can see there are 3 beans. Oh, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beans for $3.49. You can't beat that. And these are green beans. I'm looking for the ones that are purple, so, but I may actually pick that up. So another look, more tomatoes. The Burpee Big Boy tomatoes. And when you plant tomatoes, you want to plant them like over here. Don't plant them too shallow. Plant them deep so they can be very better rooted. You can see the roots right here. So you don't want to plant tomatoes too shallow. Some more tomatoes. Okay, so what do they have here? Okay, so again, red ones, the really small tomatoes that they have, and they have a whole rack of tomatoes here. Wow, look at that. Just beautiful, beautiful. And again, you can take this whole entire rack for $24.99. Best to mix and match. You'll still get all of the same vegetables, mix and match, and you have your entire garden right there for $24.99. Right, really good hack that I just told you about. We got also some red peppers, which I think I may actually get. Yes, the red peppers. Let me give you some more look. And we got the dahlias and some more just house plants that we have, and looking not too shabby. And this one is already starting to flower. Another tomato. Okay, so I'm gonna have to leave this one here so I can make sure that I remember. And I'm coming, oh, so look at this. They have corn. They have corn. Anybody tell me about corn? Please let me know about corn. I planted corn about 3 years ago. It came out okay, but here in the Northeast, it's not that great. So anybody else have any issues with corn or any success, you can leave it in the comment section and let me know if the corn has worked out for you. But let me just take one right here. All right. All right. Here we go, corn. Yellow sweet corn that they have, and they have 6 stalks in here. So I think I'm gonna pass. I'm not gonna get the corn because again, I haven't had much luck. Just showing you the dahlias. It's a beautiful dahlia. Look at that, beautiful. That beautiful dahlias. And some more yellow blend tomatoes, which I think are my favorite because you don't know which one you're getting. And when they finally come up, it's a big surprise. So they have like a dark one, a kind of red, and then a little orange. So you have a whole variety. So I would suggest the rainbow blend because these are really sweet. Some of them anyway. So some more, and you got some plants here for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up. And some more jalapenos, and this is the extreme hot ones right here. Extreme hot peppers. Here we go. Here we go, baby. The really hot ones. So if you're brave, there they go. The real hot ones. This is the medium one when it comes to very spicy, and we got the fire one right here. Very, very, very hot. And some more peppers, and this one is an orange pepper, which I will grab. The orange pepper, I don't see too much herbs. I wanted to get some herbs. I don't see the herbs. And here we got some more hot ones, the thin ones right here. Thin, sorry about that. Thin ones. Very, very hot and spicy to put in your soups or your whatever you want to put in there. But there we go. This is the hot peppers right here. Green peppers, which I will be skipping this year. But here we go. You have the California Wonder, which is the ones that you see in the store. And you got this one, the Golden California Wonder, which is the one that is orange. I'll give you a bigger look. So my search is for basil or oregano or parsley, and I do not see any of that. I wanted to bring you over here some more flowers for Mother's Day. Taking a look at the beautiful flowers. Don't know what variety that is. Just let me know in the comment section. It is, you can see just how pretty it is. Really pretty basket, but I digress. So again, if you have these plants and you see these in just one, sometimes it's like $6. It doesn't make sense to buy just one plant. It's the same plant, but in a bigger pot. So again, if you are shopping and you see these in these pots, just pass on them and get the ones that are smaller like this. It just makes sense. Here, right here. As opposed to getting the bigger ones, which don't make any sense. And guess what? This is what I wanted. They have melons here. And I'm gonna grab a melon. They have green melon. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is $3.49 as opposed to this, which is $5.99. Tell me which makes sense. Do the math, right? Totally does not make sense. So I usually don't get any of these red pots because there aren't any difference when it comes to this and this. So I'm going to search some more. So I don't know what this is, but anybody let me know what this is. I don't know. I think this is a pepper again. So we got some more corn. We got a kind of mushmelon. I grew that. And we have spinach. Wow, which I think I'm going to grab spinach. And this is the season to continue to get these cold hardy plants. Spinach is a cold hardy plant unless you live in a very warm climate like in the south. But here in the northeast, you can still plant this. The zucchini looks really good. And you got the bush cucumbers. And again, you can buy a whole entire flat for $24.99. And coming again here, we got the corn. And we got some more cucumbers. Uh-oh, they are closing. So I will be closing up soon too. You got white corn. You know, I've never tried that. I think I'm going to try the white corn. So I'm going to pick that up. But I don't see any of my herbs. Oh, this is what I really came for. But, you know, I can't beat this. The spinach and the melon, definitely going to get those. Here we go. And I have 6 spinach right here. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, giving you a wider look at all the veggies. Sorry for the background noise, but there's other people here, but it is closing soon. But again, if you are coming to these garden centers, you want to shop smart. This one is $5.99 for this. $5.99 for this. I don't know why. Somebody can let me know why this is so much more expensive, but I don't know. But again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Take a look at this last beautiful pot for Mother's Day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your family and friends. If you got any useful information from this video, when it comes to gardening, please share it with your family and friends. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.